Assalamu alaikum YouTubers. Welcome back to Modern Civil Engineering Technology. Today we will be learning about a rough cost estimation by plane area method. Types of estimates. Basically there are two types of estimate. The first one is original estimate. Original estimate can be divided into rough cost estimate and detailed estimate. The second is repair estimate. Repair estimate can be divided into three categories: annual repair estimate and quadrennial estimate, and the third one is special repair estimate. But we will discuss about only rough cost estimate. What is rough cost estimate? Rough cost estimate is used to find out approximate cost of project in minimum time. This is the simple definition of rough cost estimate. There are basically three methods we can calculate rough cost estimate. The first one is based on plane area of the structure, and the second is per unit number method, and the third is cubic rate estimate. Now we talk about process of estimating for building. So there are basically 7 requirements. The first requirement is to calculate the plinth area of the structure, and the second requirement gauge a rate of construction per unit area, and the third is boundary wall length and cost of construction, and the fourth is add cost of water supply and sanitary about 8% for each. Number 5, add cost of electric supply and gas supply about electric equal to 8% and gas per person. Number 6, take cost per contingencies of total above cost about 3%, and the 7 is determine total cost. Here are example. Prepare a rough cost estimate of a building having plane area of 2500 square feet. Assume a rate of construction is 1350 Pakistani rupees per square feet. Length of boundary wall is 1800 RFT. RFT means running feet, and a rate for boundary wall is 350 pkr. Charges for water supply and sanitary may be considered as 8%, whereas for electric supply and gas supply is 8% and 4% respectively, and 3% for contingencies may be considered. Solution. Cost of construction equal to plinth area of the building will be multiplied by the rate of construction. So we can calculate the cost of construction. Plinth area of the building means 2500 square feet will be multiplied the rate of construction 1350. So the answer will be 33,75,000 Pakistani rupees. Now we can calculate the cost of for boundary wall equal to length of the wall will be multiplied by the rate per boundary wall. So the length of the wall is 800 running feet, and the rate of construction per boundary wall is 350 Pakistani rupees. So the answer will be 2,80,000 Pakistani rupees. Now we can add the cost per boundary wall and cost per construction. So the total cost of construction will be 36,55,000 Pakistani rupees. Now we can calculate cost per water supply and sanitary. So cost per water supply is 8%. Now 8% will be multiplied by the total cost. So 8 divided by 100 multiplied by the total cost per construction. So the answer will be 2,92,400. And the second, cost per electric supply 8%. 8% will be multiplied by total cost of construction. So the answer will be 2,92,400 pkr. Now the third step, cost per gas supply 4%. So the 4% will be multiplied Total rate of construction. The answer will be 1,46,200 PKR. So the total cost is 43 lakhs 86,000 Pakistani rupees. Now we can calculate the extra cost per contingencies. Per contingencies, 3% is taken. 3% will be multiplied by the total cost, 43 lakhs 86,000. So the answer will be 1,31,580 Pakistani rupees. In the end, we can calculate the total estimated cost. So the estimated cost will become 45 lakh 17,580 Pakistani rupees. Thank you.